What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I do have some news for you guys. Oh my god, I'm such a weirdo. Okay, anyways, I wanted to show you guys these new pair of shoes that I got. They are Louis Vuitton. Don't tell anybody, okay? But I have wanted these shoes for a really long time. They were really expensive, and I know from the title of the video you probably know what they are. Or did I just tell you? I don't know. Let me just show you the shoes. Look at these beauties, okay? Now I know you guys have seen these shoes on like the Louis Vuitton website, and they're like all over social media, honestly. Okay, no, I can't I can't even pretend, like I can't even fake the funk. These are not actually Louis Vuitton shoes. I'm pretty sure you all knew that before you even clicked on this video, okay? I'm pretty sure you knew. I did in fact make these shoes. I was inspired by the Louis Vuitton. I think they're like, I don't know what they're called, the Star Trail boot, I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong. I'll probably like put a picture up here somewhere of the shoes on the Louis Vuitton website. But I saw a pair of these, someone's picture on Instagram. I'll post that picture here too. And I was like, oh my god, those are the cutest shoes I have ever seen. And I want those. But when I saw the price of those shoes, bitch, I don't think so, okay? I don't think so. I will not be spending that much money on a pair of boots. Absolutely not. And I thought to myself, I was like, Michaela, girl, you can make these shoes, okay? You can make these shoes. So that's what I did, okay? That's what this is. So I will give you guys some up close and personal like shots of these shoes, and I also recorded me making them, so I'll put that in here somewhere, and I don't know when, but it will be here. And I just wanted to kind of get on here and show you guys these shoes because I am starting kind of like a online business a little bit, but I'm gonna put the Instagram up here. It's called Modish, and I will be selling these plus the Louis Vuitton Vans that I did a video on a couple of months ago. And then I'm also coming out with some other shoe styles for you guys. So if you are interested in purchasing, you know, buying some of these and getting them sent to you, for sure follow the Instagram page. So I did have to like find a similar style of the heel itself, and then I ordered these. They're not perfect, okay? This is my first time ever making these shoes, or attempting to make them, so these are my prototype, I guess. These are my shoes. I'm not selling these particular ones because if you guys do decide to order or purchase anything, it'll be better quality than this, but this was my first time making it, so I just wanted to give you guys a look because I think I did pretty good. Like, it really does look like the Louis Vuitton shoes on the website. Hold on, if I can show it to you guys. And I think it looks really good. So I don't know how much I am going to be selling them for. I don't know any of that yet, but by the time this video goes up I will know. So if you are interested, just DM me on that Instagram account, and then we can talk business, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these. So no, I did not go out and buy, I don't know how much those shoes were. They were like $1,400 on their website, and I was like, you are kidding me, okay? You're kidding me. I'm not gonna spend that type of money on some shoes. I wish I was that rich, but no, we are not. Sorry. So let me scoot back because I'm like all in the camera, like what's up? Anyways, yeah, so I did want to kind of show you guys these shoes. And I'm really proud of these shoes. It did take me a while to kind of get it down. I just tried to make them look as much like the real thing as I could. And it came out pretty good, if I say so myself. So, I'm gonna put at the end of the video here, I guess, the footage of me it's gonna be like a sped up version of me making these shoes. And just let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty short video, but there's not really too much to say, you know. So I didn't want to make this video super drawn out and long, because there's not really a whole bunch that I needed to say. I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that if you are interested, I know like a lot of people were asking a whole bunch of questions on my Louis Vuitton Vans video. And they had a whole bunch of questions about where to get the stencils and things like that. So if you guys don't want to take the time and effort to actually make the shoes, and if you want me to make the shoes for you, I can also make these if you are interested in buying these. I don't know the prices of anything yet, but we can talk numbers when you DM me. So I just wanted to show you guys my latest little project. And I guess I will get into the video of me making them, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like the shoes. I did work really, really hard on them, so be nice, please. And yeah, so thank you for watching the video. No, I did not buy those super expensive ass boots from Louis Vuitton. I did not. I will not ever in life. And yes, so like I said, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are staying inside. It's a really, really sad time with this coronavirus going around. It's crazy. Wash your hands, be clean. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking now because I don't really have anything else to say. I'm just kind of rambling. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like the video. Let me know what you think of the shoes. And here is the video of me making the shoes, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.